right, let's get ready to go to car show. We're going up to Coldwater, Michigan for their Saturday show. Used to be all weekend, Mother's Day included, and this year they shut down Mother's Day, so I've got everything I need. Cooler, got chairs in the trunk, and some cleaning supplies, and I'm waiting on my friend Rocky to get here, and then we're going to drive up there together. It's about a 30-mile drive. So we'll document some of the stuff at the car show. Sounds like the pits at US 131. Somebody's got to tell their life story up there, wouldn't they? Pulling in, pulled everybody up. There we go. Nice car. '69, I think. Here comes another one. Maybe get a little closer. Everybody's watching their temp gauge. Yeah, it's a nice cool morning, so we sweated it a little bit too coming in. So this thing won't idle, apparently. There's a bucket list car. This is one of the nicest ones around. We're up here at Coldwater, Michigan. Looks like a good turnout. this car caught my eye because I used to see this car, believe it or not, in the 60s, 70s, maybe even in the 80s. And he ran gas coupe sedan and modified eliminator. And I've actually raced this car against this car with my mighty Volkswagen back in the day, and actually, you know, would get put on the, well, on the tow bar because we didn't have a trailer. But I remember this car. If you look on the US 131 page, you might see a picture of this car in action at the drag strip. So there's a Survivor custom car. I think I used to see that at US 131 every now and then back in the day. So, swap meet. What a gorgeous day. I think they said they had 200 vendors, over 200 vendors show up. More of the swap meet area. There's a 3rd generation Nylint Michigan crane there. And back in the garage, car performed pretty well, gets pretty decent mileage, seems to want to run around 200 degrees. That's how far up I saw the gauge go when we were waiting in line. And in the afternoon coming back, it ran about 200 degrees all the way, which is nothing to be too alarmed about. So I'm real happy with that. We had a good time at the show, and want to thank the Pharaohs for hosting. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to tickle that like button and go ahead and subscribe. And appreciate all you viewers and new subscribers. So we'll see you on the next one.